When it comes to choosing new windows, Redmond homeowners often look for options that balance style, efficiency, and practicality. One style that continues to stand out is the double-hung window. Known for its timeless design and user-friendly features, this window style offers both beauty and convenience. One of the biggest reasons homeowners in Redmond prefer double-hung windows is their easy maintenance. Let's explore why these windows are such a popular choice and how they make life simpler for busy households. What are double-hung windows? Double-hung windows are designed with two sashes, one at the top and one at the bottom, that can both move vertically. Unlike single-hung windows, where only the bottom sash opens, double-hung windows allow you to open either sash or both at once. This design offers flexibility in ventilation and cleaning, making it especially appealing for Redmond homes that experience a mix of rainy winters, mild springs, and warm summers. Easy cleaning from inside the home. One of the top maintenance advantages of double-hung windows is their tilt-in feature. Both sashes can tilt inward, allowing you to clean the exterior glass from inside your home. No ladders required. Even for second-story windows, homeowners don't need to climb outside or hire professionals just to keep windows clear. Time saving. Cleaning becomes a quick task you can manage in minutes. Year-round convenience. With Redmond's frequent rain, it's easy to wipe away streaks or dirt as needed. This feature alone makes double-hung windows a favorite for families who value safety and simplicity. Reduced wear and tear. Older or poorly designed windows often stick, warp, or require constant repairs. Double-hung windows are designed with balanced sashes and durable tracks that allow smooth operation. Less strain. Because both sashes move easily, there's less stress on the frame over time. Longer lifespan. High-quality double-hung windows made with vinyl, fiberglass, or treated wood require minimal maintenance and resist damage from moisture. For Redmond homeowners dealing with the damp climate, durability is just as important as ease of use. Improved ventilation with minimal effort. Maintenance isn't just about cleaning, it's also about how easily a window supports everyday comfort. Double-hung windows allow for flexible ventilation without the hassle. Open the top sash to let warm air escape. Open the bottom sash for fresh air to flow in. Open both for balanced air circulation. This easy adjustability helps reduce reliance on HVAC systems, which can also cut down on maintenance and repair costs for your heating and cooling equipment. Low-maintenance materials. Modern double-hung windows are available in low-maintenance materials like vinyl or fiberglass. These options resist peeling, rotting, or fading, meaning less work for homeowners. Vinyl frames. Easy to wipe down and never require painting. Fiberglass frames. Strong and resistant to warping in wet conditions. Clad wood frames. Provide the beauty of wood indoors with a weather-resistant exterior. Paired with energy-efficient glass, these materials reduce upkeep while helping Redmond homes stay comfortable in all seasons. Professional installation for lasting performance. Even low-maintenance windows need to be installed correctly to deliver their full benefits. Professional installation ensures that double-hung windows fit securely within the frame. Seal tightly to prevent drafts and leaks. Operate smoothly for years to come. This means less worry about future repairs or maintenance headaches. Final thoughts for Redmond homeowners. Double-hung windows offer the perfect combination of style, function, and ease of care. Their tilt-in sashes make cleaning simple, their durable construction minimizes upkeep, and their versatile design improves ventilation with minimal effort. In a busy household, low-maintenance solutions are invaluable, and double-hung windows deliver just that. With professional installation and the right materials, they'll provide comfort, convenience, and beauty for many years to come.